Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the most detailed and honest product reviews, diving deep into every angle so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're looking at the Laura Ashley Portable Blender for Smoothies by VQ. This is a compact, rechargeable blender designed to make your smoothies, shakes, and protein drinks a breeze, whether you're at the gym, the office, or on the go. Stick around, because we're about to see how it stacks up in terms of performance, portability, and overall usability. The Laura Ashley Portable Blender is a USB rechargeable, portable device designed for those who want to enjoy fresh, healthy drinks anywhere. With a 1500 mAh built-in battery, this little powerhouse promises to deliver quick, efficient blending with a 25,000 RPM motor and 6 powerful cutter blades. It also features a generous 450 milliliters bottle, perfect for holding your drink while you're on the move. The blender boasts a one-touch button for convenience, making it user-friendly and efficient, especially for those with a busy lifestyle. Whether it's smoothies, protein shakes, or even crushed ice, the blender is made to handle it all with ease. Now, let's talk about how this blender performs in real-world situations. Setting it up was a breeze. Just charge it up via the USB port, and you're ready to go. The 3.5 to 4 hour charging time might seem like a wait, but it holds a solid charge for multiple uses, making it great for daily use. I decided to test it with a variety of ingredients. First, I tried a classic smoothie: frozen berries, banana, and a bit of yogurt. The motor and blades handled it without breaking a sweat, blending everything into a smooth consistency. Then, I tried it with protein powder and water, and the results were just as impressive. The blender's compact size made it perfect for the gym, where space is limited. Even when I threw in a few ice cubes, the blender did a decent job of crushing them, though it did take a bit longer than expected. One-touch blending worked as promised: quick, easy, and convenient. When it comes to the pros and cons, there are definitely some positives. The compact design and USB charging make it a portable powerhouse, perfect for those who are always on the go. The large 450 milliliter bottle is a standout feature, offering ample capacity for a decent-sized smoothie. The one-touch functionality is incredibly simple, making it ideal for anyone who doesn't want to fuss with multiple settings. The performance is solid for everyday use, handling fruits, powders, and even small amounts of ice fairly well. However, there are a couple of drawbacks worth mentioning. The blender is a bit noisy when operating at full speed, which might be a deal breaker for those who prefer quieter devices. Additionally, while it crushes ice, it's not as efficient as some larger countertop blenders. The battery life is decent, but if you're planning to use it multiple times a day, you'll need to keep an eye on the charge. In terms of value for money, this portable blender is a solid choice if you're looking for something that combines convenience, portability, and functionality. At its price point, it offers good performance, especially considering the convenience of USB recharging and portability. If you're someone who frequently makes smoothies or shakes and needs something easy to transport, this blender offers a fair deal. When compared to other portable blenders in the market, it holds up well, especially in terms of its build quality, stylish design, and ease of use. The only real competition comes from slightly more powerful models, but they often come with a larger price tag and less portability. Comparing it to other blenders in the same range, there are some alternatives that offer slightly more power or more features. But the Laura Ashley Portable Blender stands out due to its stylish design and portability. Some competing products might offer more versatility, like the ability to handle larger quantities or provide a quieter blending experience, but none seem to combine the portability, sleek design, and price point quite as well as this one. When it comes to build quality, VQ has really delivered with this portable blender. The Laura Ashley Elvedin Navy hand-applied floral print adds a touch of elegance to what could otherwise be a very utilitarian design. The materials feel sturdy, and while it's not a heavy-duty appliance, it certainly feels well-constructed for a personal blender. There's a 3-year warranty backing the product, which adds a level of trust and assurance in its longevity. Although I haven't had the chance to test this blender over an extended period, VQ's reputation for durability makes me confident it will stand the test of time for most users. Customer service wasn't something I needed to interact with for this product, but VQ does have a solid reputation in the market, and the 3-year warranty is a nice touch if anything does go wrong. It's reassuring to know that the brand stands behind its product with such a lengthy warranty, which shows they believe in the quality and durability of their blenders. Finally, in terms of a final verdict, the Laura Ashley Portable Blender for Smoothies by VQ delivers solid performance with a few caveats. It's easy to use, portable, and stylish, making it a great option for anyone looking to make smoothies or shakes on the go. It might not be the best choice for heavy-duty blending or large quantities, but for personal everyday use, it gets the job done well. Its compact size, simplicity, and battery-powered design make it perfect for active people who need a quick, efficient, and stylish way to blend their drinks. If you're someone who wants a portable, easy-to-use blender with a little flair, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. If you have any questions or thoughts about this blender, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Goodbye till next time, and remember, wherever you go, we've got the reviews inside.